some short notes on the SkyPRO tech software training. I'm going to show you a little bit about the map. At this point, you've already been through a calibration and a tuning and road test. But if you go on the map, you'll see here on this vehicle, for example, this is our Tundra SkyPRO HD. We've got the settings set to switch over at pretty high load, 75% at 3,400 RPM. On this truck, you're really romping, up a hill usually at that point, and I've got it, switched over to go onto petrol, or gasoline at these high loads, just for, to get as much out of the engine as you can. That's why it's running rich down here on this end. You can see we never, even during our road test, we didn't really collect all of the map, because once you get up to this end, I mean, personally, I'm not very aggressive of a tuner. This is still everything to the left of these bars is 99% of the driving on CNG, and you can see how perfectly balanced that is. If you really want to, risk, burning up an engine, or you want to get aggressive in the road test, that's fine. You can just simply take samples of the petrol or the gasoline until all these bars are high enough. And once you do that, then these blue bars will catch up, and when you're running on CNG, you'll be able to stay better balanced, which is the only reason why you see these red bars the way they are. We never got a check engine light or anything like that with this, so not a big deal. It's just a matter of personal preference. If you're pulling big trailers up mountainsides and things like that, then you may want to do a tuning while pulling a trailer or a boat. If someone's going to be pulling heavy-duty trailers daily, then it may not be a bad idea to get the tune at this high of the map. But most of our customers, they would rather just run on gasoline at the high loads anyway. So that's why we set the settings the way that we do. You can see here where we have the map gathered all the way down. It's all good. It's all very balanced. You can click to here and see further evidence of that. See how green the map is. Typically, the red box is where we're idling right now in the Tundra. This will move up, usually at a diagonal, and that is where we've mapped it. And when it's green, it's all matched and it's good. So this is pretty typical. And you can also view it here, where you can see where the blue, the CNG, was running a little bit rich at the higher ends. Here's the 3D view. Pretty flat. What you're looking for here is you just don't want to see any big spikes. You don't want to see any big outliers. You want it to be pretty decent flat line. See here, the timing injection, very flat, very matched. This looks good. This truck runs great. We were getting the same miles per gallon. We took it on a long road trip recently, and up and down mountain roads here in Utah, where we're based out of, and got the same miles per gallon on CNG as we did on gasoline. No check engine lights, no problems whatsoever. Back to the bars chart, which is my favorite view. This is the one I think you should use the most. Your sliders here are all set. You can see this Tundra is happy at 138. And if you have any questions, give us a call at SkyCNG.